not that much a fan of sheep.
Yeah.
So I got only one sheep around.
Okay. That's that guy over there. Or girl. Are they all girls?
No, most of them.
Yeah.
I see some male.
Mm-hmm. It's getting pooped on. It's nuggets. Very cool. That's the sheep right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a gift.
Yeah, that's a baby sheep? Yeah. Lamb? Oh. Hey guys. Very cool. Okay guys, see you later. And they just graze?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know how long this land has been in your family?
It's been quite long.
Yeah.
As long as I can remember.
Yeah. And you just remember just running around here as a kid?
And then by then, these structures were not there. We only had this one.
Okay.
We had the lake.
Where we were? Okay. And you did some herding when you were younger?
Yeah.
School breaks?
So that's where my stepmother lives.
Okay.
The eldest of all. Already planted maize here.
Mm-hmm.
But I think it's waiting for the rain.
Yeah.
Used to be a wheat plantation, wheat farm. I changed it. Prefer planting the maize. Probably where the cows graze.
Mm-hmm.
If I do it, so this is the borderline.
Okay.
These are so we'll go along this.
Yeah.
Even the rain comes, rainfall, the maize will grow.
What'd you say?
Maize.
Yeah.
Already planted.
Yeah.
Just waiting for the rain. Just need some rain.